What's up, stock investors? I'm Mike the Investor, helping you invest in yourself by sharing my investing journey and inspiration. Now, looking at our consumer fear and greed index, we are already at an extreme fear level at a level 8 as of March 20th. And if we look at the future markets for March 23rd, Monday, we are already down 4%. And as you can see here on the article, later on Sunday afternoon, we had hit our 5% circuit breaker. So that shows us what to expect for stock market investors like myself. We're probably going to see another bloodbath here Monday. Now, before we dive into my portfolio, smash that like button for me. It really helps out the channel and it lets me know you all appreciate the content that I'm putting out. And be sure to click that subscribe button as well, so that way you don't miss any more updates when I release new content every week. Let's jump into the video. Alright, well, welcome back to the channel. Now we are on the Robinhood platform. You can see my portfolio value, $6,019.70. And Friday market hours, I was down 4.85%, which is $307.88. After hours, I was down 0.43%, which is $25.80. As we move over to the week here, you can see I am down 7.41%, which is $481.95. We move over to the 1 month. As you can see, I am down 31.89%, which is $2,818.18. So not only is my portfolio down, but the entire stock market is down over 30% in just a matter of 1 month. As we look at my 3-month mark, you can see I am down 30.60%, which is $2,654.19. We move over to the 1 year. You can see I am down 25.69%, which is $2,080.84. And as we move over to my all-time, you can see it will be the exact same. Now, I have not invested any more capital into this portfolio since my last Robinhood update. I have just been kind of watching the markets and see what's going to happen, because if I would have invested a lot of capital about 2 weeks ago, I would have lost about 15 to 20% of that initial investment. Now you can see the markets is down over 30%. And I still think the market has a lot to drop, as we are starting to see a lot of these bigger companies starting to get to those real nice value prices. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the stocks here. Procter & Gamble is the first position in the portfolio here. And this is a consumer staples company, 63 years of dividend growth. As we scroll down here to the position, my average cost $110.29 on 3 shares. I am currently down 7.12%, which is $23.57. 3M will be the next position here in the portfolio. As we scroll down to the position, my average cost $159.62 on 4 shares. I'm currently down 22.31%, which is $142.44. Johnson & Johnson will be the next position in the portfolio. This is a healthcare company, another dividend king. They have 57 years of dividend growth. And you can see my average cost $139.71 on 4 shares. I'm currently down 13.96%, which is $78.02. We move down to Coca-Cola here. This is another dividend king. They have 57 years of dividend growth, and they have finally hit that 52-week low. So I'm excited about that and looking to add a lot more into my current position. My average cost $52.15 on 6 shares. You can see I am down 26.36%, which is $82.49. After Coca-Cola, we look at Altria. This is another dividend king, 50 years of dividend growth here. We scroll down here to the position. My average cost $47.63 on 10 shares. I'm currently down 27.92%, which is $132.97. Moving down to my dividend aristocrats, starting with ADM, Archer Daniels and Midland. They have 26 years of dividend growth. They are in the agricultural sector. My average cost $39.02 on 4 shares. I'm currently down 21.57%, which is $33.67. The next dividend aristocrat will be AT&T. They are in the communication services sector. As we scroll down to my position, $31.25 is my average cost on 5 shares. I'm currently down 9.48%, which is $14.82. AT&T is the last dividend aristocrat in my portfolio. We move down to Microsoft. This is the second largest company here in the US. They have 16 years of dividend growth. Very solid company, my largest position in my portfolio. We're going to scroll down. My average cost $171.87 on 5 shares. As we move over to my total return, I am down 20.58%, which is $176.85. After Microsoft, we look at Starbucks here, and they have been growing their dividend for 10 years. This is a consumer discretionary company, a large company, one of my favorite holdings as well. As we scroll down to the position, my average cost $87.05 on 10 shares. I'm currently down 33.95%, which is $295.55. The next position will be Disney, and they are very attractive at this price. I'm going to be adding more into Disney my next purchase. So as we scroll down to my position, my average cost $126.52 on 4 shares. I'm currently down 32.20%, which is $162.97. After Disney, we move down to PetMed Express. Now, Starbucks, Disney, and PetMed Express, they have all been growing their dividend for 10 years and counting. And PetMed Express is the only position that I have in my portfolio that I am still currently up on out of the 19 holdings that I have. So as we scroll down here, you can see my average cost $15.82 on 10 shares. I'm still currently up 61.30%, which is $96.95. So you may be saying, Mike, why didn't you invest more into this position? Well, I didn't know that it was going to jump up that fast. And then also I was building up other positions in my portfolio, which took away my focus on PetMed Express. Now I am kicking myself. I did wish I invested more into this company because I actually did a whole video on the research I did on this company. The next position will be Pfizer. This is a healthcare company, one of the largest companies here in the world. We scroll down to my position, $39.05 is my average cost on 10 shares. I'm currently down 25.91%, which is $101.17. The next position will be the AES Corporation. This is a utility company, and with the utility sector getting hit really hard, this company has actually held up not too bad. As we scroll down here, my average cost $16.05 on 10 shares. I'm currently down 26.04%, which is $41.80. The next position will be Bank of America. This is the second largest bank in the US. They have been hit extremely hard. Scroll down here to the position. $28.57 on 10 shares is my average cost. I am down 31.58%, which is $90.23. The next position will be Realty Income. Now we're going to look at some of the REITs that I hold in my portfolio, also known as a real estate investment trust. Let's go ahead and dive into the position here. They have been hit really hard due to all of the news and everything that's going on. My average cost $72.14 on 10 shares. I'm currently down 35.07%, which is $253.02. The next REIT in the position will be Stag Industrial. They have been hit hard as well. And as we scroll down to the position, $29.89 on 10 shares. I'm currently down 27.72%, which is $82.85. The next REIT in the portfolio will be IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. Now, I really like this REIT. This is a REIT that is in the cannabis sector, that actually invest in, facilities that growers and different scientists and things like that is going to use for these different products. So as we scroll down here to the position here, you can see my average cost $77.22 on 3 shares. I'm currently down 22.60%, which is $52.35. Now the last REIT that I own in this portfolio will be Apple Hospitality REIT, APLE, and I do have some new news on this position here, but before we dive into that, you can see my average cost $14.58 on 50 shares. I'm currently down 63.24%, which is $460.98. Now, Apple Hospitality REIT has suspended their monthly distributions, which means they have stopped paying their monthly dividend until further notice. So if you own this position, you may want to take a look into that. But me personally, I'm going to still hold on to Apple Hospitality REIT. For one, I am not going to lock in those losses. And then number two, I believe that this company is still going to be able to withstand, this financial crisis that we may be going into. So I'm going to go over to the article that they have released for investors here. So this is Apple Hospitality REIT website. And if you see this third bullet point here, I'm just going to read it here. And it says the company has suspended its monthly distributions effective immediately. The company's board of directors, in consultation with management, will continue to monitor hotel operations and intends to resume monthly distributions at a time and level determined to be prudent in relation to the company's other cash requirements. So what does this mean for investors? Now, if you are down on this position as far as capital appreciation, you will no longer be receiving cash flow in the form of dividends until the company reannounces, their monthly distribution. So if you have been expecting this cash flow, this is something to kind of take a look into. And if you are new to dividend investing, this is the major downside to expect when you invest in dividend companies. They can stop paying their dividend and they can cut their dividend at any time notice. But this is because of everything that is going on, here in the world, worldwide, and in the US. So this is not per se on the company's part. This is because of what's going on, in the world and the traveling industry. And the last position in my portfolio will be SPHD. This is the only ETF that I hold in my portfolio. I have a total of 18 stocks and one ETF, which gives me a total of 19 holdings. So we're going to go into my position here. Now, PowerShare is S&P 500. Low volatility. This ETF pays every single month, and this is a really nice price in my opinion. We're going to look at my position here. $42.87 on 10 shares. You can see I'm down 37.02%, which is $158.73. So these are all 19 holdings here in my Robinhood portfolio. And out of the 19 holdings, I only have one that is still in the positives thanks to PetMed Express. So that is my Robinhood portfolio. It's a lot of red currently, and I do plan on making an investment sometime this week. Let me know down in the comment section how your portfolio is doing during the midst of all of this madness, and be sure to smash that like button for me. It really helps out the channel, and it lets me know you all appreciate the content that I'm putting out. And be sure to click that subscribe button as well, so that way you won't miss any more portfolio updates. I'm Mike the Investor. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.